Hi everyone! If you have searched for something on the internet lately, you have probably already noticed one annoying thing. Searching for information takes much more time than it really should. You open several tabs, scroll through SEO articles, check Reddit threads, watch YouTube videos, and in the end, you are still not even sure if you found the right answer. For years, the internet has worked exactly like that. Searching meant you did all the work yourself, but now that is starting to change. And one of the main reasons is a platform by the name of Perplexity. At first glance, it looks simple. Enter a question, get an answer. But when you start using it regularly, it becomes clear that it is a completely different experience compared to traditional search engines. Instead of showing you 10 blue links and making you figure it out yourself, Perplexity researches information for you in real time and turns it into a clear answer. You ask a question, and instead of 20 minutes of jumping between sites, you get a structured answer with real sources that you can check right away. And honestly, it changes the very process of searching for information. Whether you are studying business trends, comparing products, digging into a complex topic, or just looking for accurate data faster, everything becomes significantly simpler. Instead of repeated search queries, you can ask follow-up questions in a natural format. And it feels less like surfing the web and more like a dialogue with an intelligent research assistant. What is especially interesting is that Perplexity does not sacrifice transparency. One of the main problems with these AI tools is the issue of trust. Sometimes they sound confident, but they can still be wrong. And here the sources are always visible, the links are saved, and you can immediately check where that information came from. It is this balance between speed and reliability that is one of the reasons why people are starting to switch to such solutions. And you can already see where this is all heading. People do not need links anymore, they need answers, they need context, comparisons, summaries, and real understanding without having to dig through the internet manually. That is why AI search feels not like a fad, but like the next stage of how we all interact with information online. Of course, Google is not going anywhere anytime soon, but for the first time in years, it really feels like search is starting to change. And once you get used to asking a question and getting a clear answer right away, going back to the old format becomes surprisingly inconvenient. And if you have not tried it yet, Perplexity is one of the easiest ways to understand what AI search actually feels like. Try finding something that would normally take you 20 minutes and compare the result. Because once you stop searching the internet and start talking to it, going back becomes noticeably harder.